Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between dividend yield and dividend growth. Number 1. Dividend yield means the annual dividend divided by the stock price, whereas dividend growth means the rate at which dividends increase over time. Number 2. Dividend yield mainly focuses on the current income level, whereas dividend growth focuses on future income expansion. Number 3. Dividend yield helps investors earn cash flow now, whereas dividend growth helps investors build larger income later. Number 4. Dividend yield is measured by percentage yield, whereas dividend growth is measured by the annual percentage increase in dividends. Number 5. A higher dividend yield means more income per dollar invested today, whereas higher dividend growth means faster rising payouts in the future. Number 6. Dividend yield is often best for retirees and income seekers, whereas dividend growth is more suitable for long-term wealth builders. Number 7. Dividend yield is usually found in mature and slow-growth companies, whereas dividend growth is often found in strong businesses with expanding earnings. Number 8. Dividend yield usually provides higher income at the start, whereas dividend growth usually starts with lower income. Number 9. Dividend yield income may stay flat over time, whereas dividend growth income can compound significantly. Number 10. Dividend yield often gives weaker inflation protection, whereas dividend growth usually gives stronger inflation protection. Number 11. Dividend yield falls when stock price rises and rises when stock price drops, whereas dividend growth is less directly tied to daily stock price movements. Number 12. A high dividend yield can sometimes signal a value trap, whereas dividend growth may slow down if company earnings become weak. Number 13. Dividend yield can be high even without dividend growth, whereas dividend growth requires consistent dividend increases. Number 14. Dividend yield emphasizes the distribution of current profits, whereas dividend growth signals confidence in future cash flow. Number 15. Dividend yield is mainly used to maximize present income, whereas dividend growth is used to maximize a growing income stream over time. So, the quick takeaway is that dividend yield focuses on income now, whereas dividend growth focuses on rising income over time. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.